Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a focused Unity project. Add netcode for game objects and a transport layer now. Create a network manager prefab and link the chosen transport. This gives you the runtime authority required for syncing. Once done, make sure your player prefab has a network object component and spawn handler. You register the prefab in Network Manager. You also set up a simple UI to host and join. Test in the editor with a local client and host to confirm basic connectivity before moving to gameplay logic. Now you implement synchronized state and remote procedure calls. Replace local fields with network variables for position, rotation, and health so state replicates efficiently. Choose right permissions carefully. Use server RPC for actions that require authority, like shooting or inventory changes, and client RPC to broadcast events from server to clients. Once done, add ownership checks, simple input prediction, and reconciliation to reduce perceived latency. You should also batch updates and use compression or delta checks to lower bandwidth consumption during play. Finish by preparing server builds and broad testing across networks. Build a headless server or dedicated host and verify LAN first, then test through routers or a relay service for internet play. Once done, profile bandwidth and simulate packet loss or latency to adjust tick rates and interpolation. If things fail, inspect transport settings, firewall/NAT, and ensure prefab GUID and network manager registration match across builds. Finally, log server authoritative decisions to isolate desyncs and iterate until stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.